I'm going to show you how you can upgrade Microsoft Surface Pro 2 from Windows 10 to 11. Now the first thing you want to do is download the Windows 11 ISO if you don't have it already. You can get it from Microsoft's website. Another tool you will need is called Rufus. Now once you upgrade to Windows 11, the network driver for Windows 11 will be missing. And you can download these drivers from Microsoft's website. They will be for Windows 8.1, but it doesn't matter. They will work for Windows 11. Now after you press start, a pop-up box will come up. The first two options will be checked. I highly recommend you leave those two options checked, or else it likely won't work. Now after you've created the bootable media, you want to go into it, and then go to setup. Yes. I'm just going to uncheck this, and then go to how to set up downloads updates, and go to not right now, so you don't have to wait for it to download updates. And also, it may not work. It's accept, keep personal files and apps, then install. Now this may take a while, so I'm going to skip to when the installation is finished. Okay, my installation has just completed, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in here. And once you've signed in, you can go ahead and go and open your driver folder. Go into drivers, then go to network, go to Wi-Fi. You want to go over here to the one that says setup information. Do right click, and then you want to press install. Then press open, then press yes. And it should say this operation completed successfully. You should have the option for Wi-Fi. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you, leave a like. And until next time.